In this video, you'll learn how to change the domain name of your free Webflow domain. This process involves navigating through the Webflow dashboard and making specific adjustments to your site's settings. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Webflow dashboard. You can do this by entering the URL for Webflow and signing in with your account credentials if prompted. Once you are logged in, you will see your workspace along with a list of your projects. Next, locate the site for which you want to change the domain name. This can be done by scanning through the list of projects displayed on your dashboard. Click on the name of the site to enter its dedicated settings page. Ensure that you have selected the correct site to avoid making changes to the wrong project. After that, look for the free vertical dots icon, often referred to as the options menu, located next to your site's name. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This action will provide you with additional options specific to your site. Once the drop-down appears, select Settings from the menu. This will take you to the settings page for your site, where various configuration options are available. It is essential to be patient as the page loads to ensure all settings are displayed correctly. Now, navigate the Publishing tab within the settings page. You can find this option listed along the top of the settings page. Click on Publishing to access the domain settings for your site. This section allows you to modify how your site is published and its associated domain. Next, find the section labeled Webflow.io domain. Click on this option to reveal the current domain name associated with your site. Here, you will be able to see the existing domain name that is linked to your Webflow project. Type in the new domain name you wish to use in the provided text field. Ensure that the new domain name adheres to Webflow's guidelines for domain names, as invalid entries may result in errors. After entering the new domain name, verify that there are no typographical errors. Finally, once you have entered the new domain name, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click on Save to apply your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. This confirms that the new domain name is now set for your Webflow site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.